Before I get started building my website and web pages, what I want to do is set up my HTML editor to make it easy for me to work on my website. I am using Coffee Cup, and this is specifically the free version of Coffee Cup. And my understanding is there will be a Mac version coming out. Right now, this is specifically for the PC. So I've just opened the HTML editor called Coffee Cup, and this is the default installation right now. So we will set up the website that we'll be looking at so we can make our pages easily accessible. Now it's up to you if you want to keep the tip of the day on here. I will uncheck that and click Close so I don't have to close it every time. Now you can see there are a few options right here. Since I do not have a web project set up, I'm going to do that right now. So I'll click the New Website Project. Now within this particular program, you can see I can set it up so I can FTP right in my web server, or you do not have to. So I'm just going to give this a name and tell Coffee Cup where all of my files are located. So I'll name it CSS Positioning, and I'll go out and choose where my folder is with all of my files. Now my folder is up here on my C drive, and I created this folder called CSS Positioning that contains all of my files. So all I'm doing is locating that folder for Coffee Cup. I'll go ahead and click OK. Once I do, all of my files for my website, and there are course files available for this course. What I've done is put them all into a single folder, and I'm telling Coffee Cup where that's located. The reason I'm doing that, you can see right here, is it's very easy for me to open and close and access files because they're all listed in the My Websites tab. Now there's also a Computer tab, this Code tab that shows you all the individual tags for different types of items. So in other words, this is HTML, this is CSS3, CSS2. So when I click on those, it gives me all the properties in CSS2, properties in CSS3. I'll be working in the HTML. So you can see there's different flavors in there, and I'm going to use XHTML. So what this does is put the tags in the correct syntax for that particular language. There's also a snippets area. It does come built with a few different snippets of code you can place in your web pages. And there's also the various characters in HTML. So I'm going to stay in the My Websites area for now, and I can access my files very easily right within this tab. So that's all there is to setting up a new project within Coffee Cup. What you will want to do is set up a folder similar to this in whatever HTML editor it is that you have chosen to use. But that is how you set up your website files for this course within Coffee Cup.